Right, so in recent times, you might have noticed a growing trend of people praying to the universe, whether it be on TV, the internet, or even in a casual conversation. People say things like this: I call on the universe to make my dreams come true. Or I thank the universe for helping me get the breakthrough and be able to afford the new car that I have. Or the breakthrough in my career. Or I manifest my goals through the universe. They're becoming more and more common. So at first it seems harmless or even inspiring, right? But a closer examination reveals significant theological implications that warrant careful consideration. I'm not going through all of them today, but there's a conflict when it comes to this because what is particularly surprising is many who engage in this practice identify as Christians or believers in God. This conflation of the universe with God is mind boggling and problematic from a Christian perspective. As believers in the one true and living God, the Most High, we are called to worship Him alone and not His creation. The Apostle Paul addresses us in Romans 1:24, verses 25. So therefore, God also gave up to them uncleanness in the lust of their hearts to dishonor their bodies among themselves, to exchange the truth of God for the lie and worship this and serve the creature rather than the Creator. I hope this helps you. We'll be going further into the later stage. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.